Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today, oh yeah, another brand new unboxing video. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. So yes, we do have a brand new unboxing video for you. Today, it's going to be a quick little unboxing. Maybe the sweatshirt will indicate what type of shoes we have today, but this is obviously an Air Jordan 1 box. However, this is a Air Jordan 1 low. So let's see what we got. Label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, white and dark powder blue, and then black as well. There is the label. Size tag 11.5, my true to size for an Air Jordan 1 low. Alright guys, so let us unbox these guys. Let's flip off the top. Also, Jordan brand, Nike, please. Air Jordan 1 lows, not as big as the highs. We don't need all this space in the box. Wastefulness. Anyway, here they are. So, popping these guys out of here. I guess it doesn't really matter which one I use. So here's the thing. I ended up getting 2 pairs of these bad boys. I will notice that in just a second. I ended up getting 2 pairs of these bad boys. So one directly from the sneakers app whenever they launched. I was actually able to hit, which is kind of insane because I rarely ever hit on sneakers, surprisingly. I normally always have to go, JD Sports, Finish Line, Foot Locker, and so forth. So I was able to hit these guys right here, right off of the actual Nike sneakers app. And not only did I hit on the sneakers app, I also got a restock on DTLR on these guys. So ended up snagging 2 pairs, and damn am I thankful, because guess what? One to rock, one to keep on ice. These things are being worn. They're not going crazy on the resale market right now. However, I believe these things are going to start skyrocketing, and you're about to see why. So let's just go with the one pair right here real quick. Just diving into these things, man. Look at that color. It is such a vibrant dark powder blue. I mean, this is true UNC. And shout out Unbreakable Kicks. I was able to snag a hoodie from him. Just look at this color. It's not like a true UNC. It's a little bit darker and a little bit more vibrant, but just that color, man. It's a really nice, deep, rich blue. Actually, a really big fan of this. They also have dark powder blue highs and also lows again, but instead of black here with like the black toe, it's this color all throughout. So just something to note there, that there are other pairs out there. Different colorways of the dark powder blue, but to be honest, these things are fire, man. Like I said, I was able to hit 2 pairs of these things, thankfully, because I'm definitely going to be beating these guys up and then keep one just on ice for a nice fresh pair down the line. But let us get into the review. So black toe, similar to the taxis that just came out. This is kind of like that same color blocking where you have the black toe coming up through the eyelets, and then you have the hit of color wherever it may be, whatever color it's going to be. You have it on the back heel tab, and then you also have it on the sole as well. I mean, look at that sole, look at that outsole, so clean, beautiful color. And then also you do have that dark powder blue right here on the Nike Air tag right there. And then on the insole, you also have that Nike Air in powder blue with a white insole. But yeah, man, overall quality, if we want to talk about quality on these Air Jordan 1 lows, I mean, butter. Absolute butter. These things are very similar to those Mystic Navy Jordan 1 lows that did come out. Also have a pair of those. Very similar leather quality. It's very soft, supple leather. Especially on the black area right here. I don't know if you'll be able to pick up from the camera right here, but look at this. I mean, you press in, and it's just like, it's so soft. Very buttery leather. You can kind of see that texture all throughout the eyelets right there, coming up through the tongue. And then also this white leather is actually really nice as well. If you guys can see, I'll do the old push test. Really nice leather right there as well. And not only is it really just good leather, but to be honest, the actual craftsmanship of this low, really good. Not that many glue stains or any type of defects on this pair. And the other pair as well, take a look at this guy. Also very, very clean. I mean, you could just tell that, you know, the swoosh is nice and tumbled. Well, not really tumbled, but it's just like it's a smoother leather, but it does have texture to it. But it's the same throughout. I mean, the shape of the shoe is fantastic as well. Not a lot of stitching mistakes, not a lot of glue stains or any of that. No marks on the sole. It's just really good quality control on these guys as far as my pairs go. Now, obviously, it's Jordan brand, so it will vary based on what pair that you pick up and where you got them from. So I'm going to throw these guys up on the screen right here. That is the Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Fragment joints. Very, very similar. Everybody's calling these the poor man Travis Scott, whatever you want to call them. It's a super clean colorway, very wearable, and I'm just happy I was able to snag a pair. You can call these whatever you want, man. If they look anything like a Travis, awesome, but I mean, it's just an awesome colorway to add to the collection. Now, going with these shoes, you do also get a spare pair of laces. You can see right here in that dark powder blue. You get them in this nice little cardboard, you know, I don't even know what you want to call it, cardboard box. And it says shoelaces with the Jumpman Air logo right there. They are coming with these now, guys. So do not buy a pair if it comes with, you know, the plastic shoe bag. Like everything used to come with. Everything recently that I picked up has come in a little cardboard box. And on the back it says Move to Zero. It's like their initiative for Nike's journey towards a zero carbon and zero waste future. So just a thing to look out when you do get your pairs. If they have the, you know, plastic bag hanging off the shoes now, probably going to be fakes. You know, they're not going to come with that anymore. It's just going to be this box right here. And other than that, guys, please let me know if you guys were actually able to cop a pair for yourself. If you hit on sneakers, if you got that detail or restock. They were not very, you know, widely spread, these guys. They were kind of limited. However, there has been a couple of restocks on the GS pairs, not the men's. They actually were kind of limited. Weren't like a huge release. Didn't hit JD Sports and Finish Line. Didn't hit Foot Locker. So, you know, pretty limited. And I'm just happy I got my 2 pairs to keep in the collection. Let me know if you got yours down below in the comments. Also, if you are new around here, guys, please make sure you are smashing that subscribe button. We really want to get the channel growing. Smash that thumbs up as well. And if you are going to be subscribing, please hit that notification bell so you do not miss another one of my videos. Other than that, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me and the Air Jordan 1 Low Dark Powder Blue are out. Peace.